Hey guys, alright, so for your next project in graphic design, you are going to be the designer, alright? I want you to think for a second, take a moment and look around your room, think to yourself, how many times have you interacted with a product that just doesn't work? It doesn't work the way it's supposed to work, right? Think about the differences between, say, a water bottle like this here, where the cap twists off, the lid here of the cap completely conceals the actual lid, so or the actual mouth of the bottle. So if for some reason, let's say that I were to drop it in the mud, I can still drink out of this thing because where I actually put my mouth is completely covered and concealed. That's pretty good design. But how many things in your lives have you thought about where it's bad design, right? Think about all the different pieces and chunks that make up what an actual product is. This used to be a, it used to be a stapler, like a staple gun. It's, no. It certainly isn't that anymore. But at one time, this was a staple gun. Think about the pieces that are made up of within any kind of design. What works, what doesn't work? Is this more of a ergonomic design because I'm able to push down on the stapler? That works a little bit nicer than me having to pull up on it and therefore shooting the staple across the room. Every single thing in your lives, from a staple gun to a bottle of water to even a simple roll of paper towels, has been designed in some way, shape, or form. So, think about three different objects in your life, three completely separate different concepts, products somewhere in your vicinity that don't work the way they're supposed to, right? It could be something really large, it could be something really small. I love my little Bluetooth headphones. They're designed beautifully. The little charging case is great, except there's one big problem, and that problem is simple. What do I do with this thing? Right? I don't have keys. Am I just gonna like walk around with this? Where do I put it at? I don't know what to do with it. No, it's not good. So maybe I want to redesign how this actual battery case works. Maybe there's an easier, better way to make technology work for us. So come up with three products that you believe need to be redesigned. Once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and start thumbnailing and sketching those redesigns. You're going to come up with one product out of the three that you're going to go ahead and actually start to design. Once you've done that, then we're going to go ahead, take that product into Photoshop and start to come up with three different variations on that product. So a single still shot, something, just a normal kind of plain view of the image. Maybe a photo of your product in use. And then we're also going to want to come up with a few other designs, maybe a logo for your brand, because you're not recreating this product. You're making a new product from scratch with your own branding and your own logo design attached. I'm going to go ahead and switch gears here. I'm going to jump in and do a Photoshop demo for you to walk you through even more.